Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Hello there everyone, and in this video I want to show you how to get any ringtone that you want for your iPhone. It could be any model iPhone, any iOS. Okay, so first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to have some music already here in your Apple Music library. If you don't have any music on your library, I have another video that's going to be linked in the description where I'm going to be showing you how to download any song that you want into your Apple Music library. It's going to be down in the description. Okay, so once you have the music that you want to turn into a ringtone, you're going to need to download this app, which is GarageBand. This is what we're going to be using to create the ringtone. Okay, so once we have the app open, let's go to Create Document here. So you're going to notice that there's a couple different options here to choose from. We're going to choose Audio Recorder. So select this one. Let's tap on it. Then go ahead and select the three lines at the top, the three bars up here. So now it's time to select the song that we want to make into a ringtone. So we're going to select the little loop at the top and then select the music tab at the top, the music tab, and then you can select here from your library, artists, songs, however, which way you want to search for your song. So I'm going to select this song right here. Once you have your song ready, just tap and hold the song and drag it into the GarageBand editor. Let it go and it will drop the song right in. Okay, so next up, click on the plus signal here, the little plus signal on the right hand side, and then here we're gonna select where it says section A, and then we're gonna turn off automatic, and we're gonna make the song as long as we want in seconds. So I'm gonna make it 30 seconds. You can make it however long you want, under 30 seconds. So once you're ready, just tap out of it. Next step is we need to edit the clip so that we can set up where we want it to start and finish the ringtone. So we're going to select the track, and then we're going to drag from the starting point here of the track all the way up to the point where we want the song to start at, and then we're just going to drag it back to the beginning. And then we can play it to see if we want it to start from there. Okay, so that starting point is fine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drag the end of the track all the way to the end to make it 30 seconds long. Okay, so that sounds pretty good. I'm going to save this as my ringtone now. So we're going to go ahead and click on this triangle over here on the left hand side and just select My Songs. So once you do that, it's going to automatically save the ringtone as My Song, and it's going to have the time on there that it was saved at. So let's go ahead and press on the file, and then it's going to give us a couple options, and let's rename the song to whatever name we want to name it. Alright, and then once you're ready, hit done. So next step is hit select at the top and select the file, and then you're going to hit the little export box over here. Select that one. And then we're going to select ringtone in the middle. So select ringtone, and then here it's just going to ask you a confirmation. So go ahead and hit continue. Okay, and then here just hit export, and it's going to export the ringtone into your settings where you can choose the ringtone. Ringtone exported successfully. All right, so let's exit out of here and go into the settings. Let's find sound and haptics, and then here we can select the ringtone, and as we can see, we have the ringtones here. Alright, so you can remember, you can also do that with any other type of song that you want. You can turn it into a ringtone to use on your iPhone, any model iPhone, any OS. All you need to download is the GarageBand app and get the music into your Apple Music library. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you guys around in the next one. Peace.